Today our lesson is 9, India Bangladesh Telecommunication Project 9. Today we are discusses the SDG goal 4, quality education, India and Bangladesh international experience. Our festival about the quality education, and as the saying goes, Bangladesh is country of 13 festival in 12 month. So some of the very popular festival are popular festival are described. পহেলা বৈশাখ, পহেলা বৈশাখ or শুভ নববর্ষ is Bengali New Year, which is celebrated with a lot of the guests to every year. It's the first day of the first month of Boishak according to the lunisolar Bengali calendar, and usually fall on April 14 or 15. This year it is being celebrated on April 15. Festival of Idul Fitr. Idul Fitr is commemorated on the opening day of the Shawwal month, and Muslim across the world pray their honor to Allah for offering them health and resistance through the month of long fasting time called Ramzan or Ramadan. Idul Fitr means the festival of breaking fast. Festival Idul Adha. Idul Adha, festival of sacrifice, is one of the most important festival in the Muslim calendar. The festival member of the Prophet Ibrahim's willing to sacrifice his son when God ordered him to. Chaitra Sankranti. Chaitra Sankranti is an age-old festival of rural Bangla, which marks the last day of Bangla year. The Bangla calendar is solar, with the year beginning of the Pohela Boishak. People from all walk to life celebrate the Boishaki festival with the great enthusiasm. Chaitra Sankranti is the celebrate in the month of Chaitra. Durga Puja. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of the goddess Durga over the demon country Mahishwarya. It's begin on the same day as a Navaratri. In the ninth festival celebrate the divine feminine Durga Puja. First day is Mahalaya, which herald the advent of the goddess celebration and the worship beginning on the Shasti, the sixth day. Bodh Purnima, Boishaki Purnima. Buddha Purnima is the biggest day for Buddhists because on this day it is believed the three important events of the Buddhist life took place: his birth, his attaining enlightenment, and his death. Paraniban. This day is known Three's Blessed Festival. Christmas celebrated on December 25 and is both sacred religious holiday and a worldwide culture and commercial phenomenon. Christians celebrate Christmas Day as the anniversary of the birth of Jesus of Nazareth, a spiritual leader whose teaching from the base of their religion. Sri Krishna Janmashtami. Sri Krishna Janmashtami Hindu festival celebrated the birth of the god Krishna on the 8th day of dark fortnight of the month of Bhadrapada, August to September. The number of 8 has another significance in the Krishna legend in that he is the 8th child of his mother Devaki. Spring of festival. The spring festival evolved from the annually workshop ceremony in ancient time, during which people honor the deities and ancestor and prayed for God harvest in the coming new year. The date and appellation birthed widely throughout the history of the different feudal dynasties. Festival of Navarno. Navarno is celebrated by the worshipping the Galagor storehouse. The facilities include making traditional cakes named pita. It is a West Bengali jute craft. The jute fiber is derived from the red-like jute plant, West Bengal. With plenty of the rainfall and humid climate suits the growth of the jute plant. Thank you so much for watching and valuable comments me about quality education and ensure inclusive and equality, quality education and prompt the lifelong learning opportunities for all. How can we improve quality education in Bangladesh? The most major feedback from children in primary school quality of education, which leads to low learning outcome and eventually dropouts. Under qualification teachers, inequality infrastructure for nutrition and for security all affect learning. Many schools are overcrowded and over 80% run double shift. What is the midday meal sense? Midday meal scheme is multi-faceted program of the government of the Bangladesh that among the things seeks to address issued of food security, lack of nutrition across the education on a pan national scale. It involves the provision for free lunch on the working day for children in primary and upper primary. What are the two purposes for midday meal? Midday meal scheme is a scheme in which the school children have provided the food in schools. It is provided to increase the literary rate in our country and to reduce poverty in country. It is also provided to provide education to the poor children of the family who are below the poverty line. Object of the midday meal program. The key object of the midday meal is to address the issues of hunger and education in school by serving hot cooked meals. It also aims to improve the nutritional status of the children and improve the enrollment, attendance, and retention rates in school and other educational centers. How midday meal is a step towards quality. Fostering social equality, midday meals can help to spare egalitarian value as a children from variously social background learn to sit together and share common meal. In particular, midday meal can help to the break barrier of the caste and class among the school children. How can our improve my midday meal plan? Complementary strategies such as drop dewarning or fortifying meal provided through the midday meal scheme could increase the nutritional impact of this program. Bangladesh Supreme Court has directly that only hot cooked meal be provided in midday meal through the decentralized model. Free textbook. The Bangladesh National Curriculum and Textbook Board NCTB is all set to distribute among the 354 million textbook for free among the 42.5 million students at primary and secondary level. They are expected to distribute the book enrollment the country as flawlessly as possible. At a total to 230,000 books appropriately printed in especially language will be distributed among the 94,275 ethnic students, Chakma, Marma, Tripura, Garu, and Satri of the pre-primary to third grades. Books have been printed in 5 languages. This time, Bailey books will be distributed among the 9,196 visually impaired students. According to the educational minister, over the 24 crore books will be printed for the secondary level student in 2021. Soyed Muhammad Gulam Farooq, Director General of the Director of the Secondary and Higher Education, said education institutes across the country have been closed since March last year due to pandemic. Despite the coronavirus situation, we are trying to reach a new book to students across the country on time, he said. He urged the teachers, students, and parents to follow hygiene rules while distribute books at the education institution. The Honolulu government celebrates the book festival on the January 1 every year with the aim of improving the standard of educational lawyering and dropout rate. In the last 10 years, about 331.47 crore primary and secondary level books have been distributed across the country. The school uniform are mandatory in all the public and private school up to 12th standard in Bangladesh, while the color and exact cut of the uniform depend on the school resolution and policies made by students in Bangladesh are usually expected to wear full or half sleeve shirt with the trousers, and female students are expected to wear a skirt, pants with the shirt, or salwar kameez with belts and dupats. The uniform rule only applies to the student primary, secondary, and higher secondary education. Although there are no uniform for university students in Bangladesh, they are expected to follow the respectful dress code of their institution. The rationale behind the uniform policy of Bangladesh is authority when to protect the student from the class sacrification that can be appeared with the student are given chose to dress as they like. An additional authority believe that students should not miss their time in typing to dress up for school. Transportation for students is major issue for both parent and children. There are numerical education institute in Dhaka city. Every day, thousands of students face to fetch a number of hundred to get their classes on time. Some school, college, and university do provide a transport service for their students, which are not only help to cut down on the traffic jam, but are also safe and convenient. However, there are a few public transport available exclusive for students. Most of college and university students are mature enough to travel their campus by all themselves, but some cannot be said about the school children. Here are both parent and student have to consider factor like security, cost, and most importantly, reaching school on time. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Sir. Thank you, Dr. Sir and Jui ma'am. our festival with a book in Uzala Secretary. Happy birthday to Bangladesh 2000. Happy birthday to magazine wall magazine. Yeah, on my wall 2014 Liberation Day. Batang High School celebrated sub 26 March Liberation Day. Here is the picture 2003 Batang High School. Happy New Year. Bangladesh Batang High School celebrated on the occasion 15th April, 40th April, Bangladesh 2000 Bangladesh 14 May Day. By celebrate Day in every picture 2014 National Morning Day. Morning Day 5th August. The picture 2014 National AIDS Day. Batang High School celebrated 1st December 2014 picture. Here the picture. Batang High School celebrated by 1st December AIDS Day. Victory Day. Batang High School celebrated 16 December. Here the picture 2014.